welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid $5.50 PayPal money in minutes. Make sure to watch the video till the end. This video is going to be very useful to you and you will start earning money from PayPal within just few minutes by completing just few steps. But before starting further, subscribe to our channel, give video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with friends and also share your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question regarding this video or anything else, let me know in the comment section. Also share this video among your friends, family, so they can also start earning money from PayPal very easily by staying at home. So let's start the video and learn how you can earn $550 PayPal money in just minutes. So first of all, you first need to set up your own PayPal account by clicking on sign up for free, provide your authentic details. But if you don't really want this option, you don't want to create your own PayPal account, then simply go to Google and search for online banking in my country. And you can create a free bank account there. The website I'm going to show you, which will help you to earn money, is Capterra. Let me tell you how exactly it works. This website will pay you money simply by writing reviews. As you can see here, right on this website, there are thousands of different softwares. You don't need any experience or money for this. The thing is that the sign up process for this website is a little complicated. You have to complete these steps before earning money. To write a review, go to captra.com and click on write a review. Now you can simply search about any product or any company or any software, whatever it can be you want to write a review about. These are some recommended softwares, like type PowerPoint and then click search. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can write a review about it. There are total 3 steps, so watch till the end. You will have to enter some personal information here, like you have to enter name, email, job title, etc. In job title, you have to choose freelancing. And now the next thing is organization name. As an organization name, write here self-employed, and then as an industry, you have to go to computer software. Click on computer software, select this option, and now after selecting computer software, you will have to select the company size, which means how many people are in your company. So you have to click on myself only because you don't have any employees. If you have, then you can click on how many you have, and then how long have you used the software. So don't click on free trial. You have to tick on almost 6 to 12 months, so they will know that you are a PowerPoint user. And then the next is, it says how frequently do you use the software. So for this option, you will have to go for select weekly, of course. And then it says what is your role in using this software. So you will have to click I am a user. Now after completing this, go to the next option to complete the next step. Now the second step is you have to rate their quality, ease of use, feature and functionality, customer support, value for money, ease of deployment. So you have to rate 5-star or 4-star, and I will rate overall quality 5-star, ease of use 5, features and functionality 5, customer support 5, value for money 5, ease of deployment, this one is also 5. So now the next is, how does the pricing for Microsoft PowerPoint compare to similar products? Well, this is optional, but still it's good if you complete this process. So I will go for mid-tier, and how likely it that you would recommend Microsoft PowerPoint to a friend, colleague, and I will rate it 10 out of 10. After completing this step, click on next to proceed for step number 3. Now the next step is about to write a review, title your review, advantages, disadvantages, and overall experience. Now I have something written for you here. I have written advantages and disadvantages. All I will do is copy those advantages and disadvantages here. Let me show you how I have written the advantages and disadvantages in Microsoft document. So these are pros and cons and overall experience. All you have to do is to copy these steps and paste it there. Now these are some reviews about PowerPoint that people have posted and they are earning money with. These are some pros, cons, overall experience. They did everything. They rated, they write their review about PowerPoint, and now they're earning money with these reviews. This is all you have to do. Write a review and then you will start earning money from PayPal like these people. So now let's proceed further and write a review. I have written the title, very simple PowerPoint review. I will copy these pros and cons and I will paste it where I have to write a review. And now it says you have describe your overall experience. It's optional, but it's good if you write your overall experience because people here have written their overall experience. So I will copy this overall experience and paste it here. In the next section, it says that did you switch from another product? Click on no and then agree their terms and conditions and then click on submit. Your product review has been submitted and now you will easily start earning money from PayPal. I hope this video will help you out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Drop your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.